Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for all you whiskey enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of personalized whiskey glasses with this stunning offering from Daddy Factory. Let's take a closer look. This here is the personalized whiskey glass, a custom-crafted gem that's perfect for any whiskey lover. Whether you're treating yourself or searching for the ultimate gift, this glass ticks all the boxes. Let's talk about craftsmanship. This glass isn't just your average tumbler. It's made with precision and care, featuring a heavy base for that luxurious feel in your hand. The attention to detail is impeccable, from the sleek design to the permanent laser engraving. Now, let's talk about personalization. With Daddy Factory, you can customize this glass to make it truly your own. Add your initials, your name, or a special message. It's up to you. And with modern laser etching technology, you can trust that your design will last a lifetime. But what about durability? I'm happy to report that this glass is not only dishwasher safe but also built to withstand the test of time. Made right here in the USA, you can trust the quality and craftsmanship of every sip. There's nothing quite like pouring your favorite whiskey into a glass that's been personalized just for you. And with a capacity of 10.25 ounces, it's the perfect size for a generous pour. Whether it's for Father's Day, Christmas, or just because, this glass makes a truly unique and thoughtful gift. It's a keepsake that will be cherished for years to come. So, if you're looking to elevate your whiskey experience or searching for the perfect gift for that special someone, look no further than the personalized whiskey glass by Daddy Factory. Cheers to good times and great whiskey. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, stay classy and keep sipping.